Did you ever feel like this? When I was growing up, I always thought if you wanted a garden, you had to have a big yard, and you needed a tiller, and you had to amend the soil, and there was weeding and tilling and all kinds of stuff that went with it. And I tried several times over the years. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't, but it was a lot of work. It was only recently that I figured out you can grow food in just about anything. And once you learn how to do this, you can have food all the time. And because of that, we call it the continuous harvest system. It always looks like we have a bunch of microgreens right now, but this is the basis for everything that comes. Because once I got the hang of this, everything else started falling in place. Got lots of stuff coming this spring. Stick around, it's going to be fun. Hydroponics makes gardening easy. No weeding, no tilling. You can grow vertical. Compared to traditional gardening, it only uses a fraction of the water, and it's pretty much set it and forget it. To make it even better, we're exploring plastic-free options. These may look like plastic bags, but they're actually made out of plants. They're biodegradable. Now that usually means it doesn't work good with water, but we're testing it out to see if it lasts long enough to grow plants. That way when we're done with our gardening, instead of a plastic bag floating around for 100 years, these can go in your compost. So we don't know if it'll work, but the cracky system of hydroponics with no pumps, no aeration, and always having microgreens on hand makes it worry-free. If this doesn't work out, it's easy to try again. If you have any ideas on how we could do this better, let me know. Alright, when I said I was going plastic free, I had some people a little upset because they said they really enjoyed what I was doing. I'm changing things up because I want to help more people. But I've been filming for 7 years. I've got a bunch of hard drives just full of footage. And there's a bunch of things on there I haven't even shared yet. So you may see a mix. Some of the old, a lot of the new. But I don't want to change the way you feel, your beliefs. I just want everyone growing food, taking care of themselves, and their family, friends, however they see fit. So don't get confused if from time to time you see some of the old stuff. And keep on growing.